After my studies in Germany, I had an opportunity at a very young age, starting my career as a director general manager of a 3-star plus 50-roomed city hotel in Colombo. This was my unplanned entry to hospitality and tourism industries. While working, I pursued with my professional studies in chartered management and chartered marketing. There I realized that I should venture off my own and be an entrepreneur. As a result, I ventured into a destination management company under the name and style of Sunway. I'm the founder and the managing director of a 30 years strong Sunway group of companies. In between, I wanted to read for an MBA and I joined the PIM's 2010 batch. As an entrepreneur, I had a very busy schedule and also I was very comfortable doing international business, working with an international clientele, getting my remittances in foreign currencies, globe-trotting for business promotions, associating with important people, etc. But yet I thought that I should read for an MBA. And I looked around for different options available. There were many MBAs, both local and foreign, delivered in Colombo, some of which had very easy routes to get the 3 letters after my name. But I thought that I should do justice to myself, and I opted for the best and the prestigious MBA in Sri Lanka, which is by the Postgraduate Institute of Management. We all know that our businesses face a lot of unforeseen challenges and is becoming very competitive day by day. The PIM MBA has sharpened my skills to face the challenges, make decisions, and grow my business strategically and stably, making my business dreams a reality. I joined the PIM Executive Committee 2 years ago on the invitation of the present President, Mr. Denzil Pereira. This is my second year. PIMA has a very vibrant membership of over 3,500 thought leaders. This year I'm serving the PIM Exco as the Assistant Secretary, and I'm happy to be a part of this strong team. Together we form a strong alliance of network, complementing each other where and when necessary for future growth. To the graduates to be, I would say that quality education has no shortcuts. Being an MBA is of high importance, rather doing an MBA. You have to demonstrate your MBA skills at the workplace. Therefore, opt for the best. I have recommended the PIM's MBA to so many who have sought my guidance, be it colleagues, friends, or others. I have seen so much value in the PIM's MBA, where even my daughter and the son-in-law just completed their PIM MBA. I would also mention that learning is lifelong. It should not stop at the MBA. It should be continuous education.